Hi there, students. So that branch was a bit obtrusive. Okay, obtrusive means something that's sticking out, that's in the way, that protrudes. Okay, so the branch was obstructing your view of me. So something that's obtrusive, it sticks out and it gets in the way. It's obstructive and undesirable. We can also use it metaphorically, meaning something that is very noticeable but undesirable. So, for example, the child's behaviour was very obtrusive. The child stopped the parents doing what they wanted to do. So you can use obtrusive to mean pushy and interfering, in the way. Okay, so somebody whose behaviour is obstructive, it stops you from doing what you really want to do. Somebody who's obtrusive intrudes on other people's affairs. They stick their nose in where it's not wanted. And where it's not wanted is what makes it obtrusive. So, for example, the music at the party was too loud. It was obtrusive and it was impossible to talk to people. The lighting in a room can be obtrusive. It's so bright, or it shines so strongly in your eyes that it's difficult to concentrate on what you want to do. It's undesirably noticeable. It's not subtle. This factory produces a very obtrusive smell. So you're always noticing this smell, and it's not a nice smell. Yeah, it's an unpleasant smell. So something that's obtrusive, the basic meaning, something that sticks out. Yeah, and sticks out and it's in the way. So maybe if you have lots of things in a passageway, they are obtrusive. They stop you walking down the hall properly and easily. And then you can use it metaphorically. Something that sticks out a mile, that is undesirable. You also have obtrusive behaviour, somebody who's always sticking their nose in your business. Okay, the opposite of this adjective, obtrusive, unobtrusive. So please let me come to the meeting and I will be very unobtrusive. You won't even notice that I'm there. Because if I go to the meeting and I'm obtrusive, you will never let me come again. Okay, this word obtrusive, this adjective, comes from Latin. Ob, towards, and trudere, to push. So, to push towards. And that's the meaning of obtrusive from the Latin root. So now the next question is formality. I think this word is neutral, slightly formal. It sounds quite literary and it's a good word to use. You could use it in an informal conversation, and I think you could also use it in a very formal document. So, nice and flexible. So, obtrusive, sticking out, an obtrusive rock formation. Something that sticks out a mile and is not very pleasant, undesirably noticeable. Obtrusive music. An obtrusive child is always stopping you from doing what you want to do. An obtrusive person is always interfering in your affairs. So, there we go. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Obtrusive.